Hello everyone, Namaste, Aibwan. I'm Gagan Malik, and you must have seen me in the most successful movie of Sri Lanka, Sri Siddhartha Gautama. I was blessed to play the role of Prince Siddhartha. That has changed my whole life. I love Sri Lanka, I love Sri Lankan people, and I think it's my second home. I believe I'm born in India, but my soul belongs to Sri Lanka. Today I'm with you for a very important cause. Tarana Foundation Sri Lanka. They are taking a great initiative to build an operation theatre for the poor children of Sri Lanka. They are making an operation theatre for the children who are facing orthopedic difficulties and disorders by birth or by an accident or for any reason. And Giving Tuesday, that means on 1st of December, that is called Global Giving also, people are donating a lot to help these poor people. And I really want all of you to come forward, because in life, the real happiness is in serving others. This is what Buddha did. This is what our great monks are doing. This is what any lords or gods have done in their own life. So I think it's a great time for all of you to give a new life to a poor child, by correcting his orthopedic difficulties. Sometimes we see they don't have a proper leg, and some unfortunate thing happened with their arms or anything. So there is a chance for us to help those poor children. I believe everybody will come forward to support this cause. On 1st of December 2020, it will be a Giving Tuesday, global giving. So I believe all of you will join your hands together and somehow make this initiative successful. And believe me, the day you will see a smile on a child's face who was facing orthopedic disorders, who cannot walk or who have some problems in their arms or anywhere, when you see them smile, you will forget all your difficulties. That's what you call the real inner happiness. So be a part of this great initiative taken by Trana Foundation, Global Giving Day on 1st of December. And this concert will be a virtual concert called Voices of Restore Hope. Please join your hands together, because more than 50 Sri Lankan top artists are taking their time out to be a part of it and giving their best to support this great initiative. I believe Triple Gem will bless all those people who become a part of this great initiative, and I'm already there to help them in any ways that I can. May Buddha bless all. Thank you very much, and best wishes from my side.